Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what WordPress plugin is that. A lot of people want to know what plugin is actually used on the site or what particular feature they see on the site, what plugin actually gives that feature on WordPress. Like we all know, we talked about plugins adding additional functionalities to your WordPress site. So there are platforms and tools online you can use to check what plugin and this thing is used. So let's go ahead and check this, what WordPress plugin is that. So the first one here we're going to be dealing with is wpdetector.com. Then we're still going to deal with scanwp. We're trying to inspect to check the plugin. So we also have WordPress plugin detector here. Check what plugin is site using. So now we enter the website URL shortcrashcourse.com. Detect. We want to see the plugins that are on shortcrashcourse.com. So while that is loading, we can also check scan WP here. And then lastly, we use the site checker.pro plugin, WordPress plugin checker. Okay, this is saying that you should create an account before you can have access. Okay, so WP showed the theme. It's not showing the plugin. Scan WP is not showing the plugin. So, okay, just having the theme detector here, basically for the theme. Okay, top scan plugin. So, this is top scan. So, we go ahead and close that. Then, site checker, the site checker showing the plugin. I'm not seeing any way for a plugin here. Not seeing any way for a plugin. So, let's go to the next one. Okay, team just video and all that. So detect WordPress plugin, ultimate blocks. Okay, saw that generate praise, saw that learn praise, additional information. So it just was able to see just three of the plugins on the site, but there are more than three plugins on the site. So, but at least WP detector was able to detect. So let's check. Site Pro was not able to detect the plugin for was here, but WP Detector was able to do that. Okay, so that's how to check a plugin that the site is using. Some of them have limited feature and want you to pay and upgrade before they can give you a full breakdown. And some of them have limitations. They can't really show you all the plugins that the site is using. But for the team, they're always there. So guys, that will be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.